Welcome back to the place where I've been sharing my knowledge, my personal experience, and strategies that have made people money in crypto, things that 99% of you would never know about otherwise. I've been laying out the blueprint for success in this space, but today I need to address something that's been eating at me. And to be honest, it's pretty fucking disgusting. Let's get real for a second. I've taught you guys how to make money with crypto. I've broken down the complexities of the market, shared insider info, and shown you how to profit off shit most people wouldn't even know how to touch. And I do this because I genuinely want you to succeed. But here's the thing. After all of that, how many of you have actually contributed anything back? Let's be honest, most of you haven't. In fact, I'd go as far as to say that the majority of you have taken, and taken, but never once given a damn thing in return. It's honestly baffling. You watch my videos, you learn from my experiences, and you make money. But do you ever stop and think about giving something back? I'm not talking about just money. I'm talking about anything big. But how about a little acknowledgement? A thank you. Maybe share the knowledge. Share this channel with others or give back in some small way. No, instead you sit there like a fucking sponge, soaking up all the info, all the strategies, all the ways to make money, and then nothing. Just a sea of fucking silence. And that right there is the problem. The entitlement, people think they're entitled to take and take without giving anything in return. It's honestly sickening. You expect the world to hand you shit on a silver platter, but where's your part in the equation? You're out here stacking your crypto, making profits, but what the fuck are you doing to help others in return? What's the point of all that knowledge, all that profit, if you're not doing anything to elevate others? This isn't just about me either. This is about a wider problem in the crypto space and society at large. Everyone wants something for nothing. It's like people just expect shit to be handed to them without ever putting in the work. I've shared these opportunities. I've given you guys the tools to succeed, and yet most of you sit on your ass and don't give a damn about helping out the community or supporting those who helped you get to where you are now. So here's the call out. If you've benefited from this channel, from the crypto knowledge I've shared, from the money I've helped you make, it's time to stop being a fucking leech. Contribute, share the channel, help someone else. But here's the most impactful way that you can give back. Contribute financially. And don't just sit there with your hands out expecting more from me. If you really value this content, the best way to show it is by supporting this channel so I can keep providing this life-changing information. You can contribute with any stable coin or any token built on Ethereum, Polygon, Matic, or Binance. All of it helps keep this engine running and helps me create more content that you can actually use to make money. If you've been taking from this channel, it's time to put something back in. If you want to see more of the kind of content that can change your life and build your wealth in crypto, I need you to know that you've got my back. You want more than step up. Contribute. Don't be a parasite. Be a part of this community and make sure it grows, because if you really want to see this channel succeed, then show up, put your money where your mouth is, and help us keep creating more. And if you're pissed about what I've said, good, you should be. I'm tired of people taking and never giving back. If you want to make it out of this world, you've got to stop expecting everything to be handed to you. Contribute or get the fuck out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who actually gives a shit. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.